There he is. And of course I show him he's got to move. Jake, can you say hi? Say hi to everybody. Oh, come on, you can do it. Yes? No. Hey everybody, it's nice to see you. My name is Missy if you're new to my channel, and this is Jake and Me Van Life. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to show you a little hack to use in your van today, especially for your bedroom. It's a bedroom hack. I'm so excited about showing you this, and the cool thing is, it doesn't cost you a penny, not one single penny. So in a moment, I'm going to tell you about that and show you, but I would just love it so much if you would give me a chance by subscribing. Can you hit that subscribe button? Because you can always unsubscribe if you just don't like it. But I'm trying to grow. I've only been doing it for about 3 or 4 months, and I didn't set out to do this, but now I'm excited because I'm really enjoying it. I'm meeting so many new people from my channel. Thank you so much for checking in today, and I hope you enjoy this. So let me start out first by saying my van, if you go back and you watch the van tour I did of my van, you'll see that my bed had nothing distinguishing my bedroom from the kitchen front area of my van. So I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to put curtains up. So I did. I'm going to show you how I did it and how it didn't cost me a penny. You ready for this? So let's go inside so you can see it again. Oh, and there's Jake. What you doing, Jake? Hey, psst, up here. Hi, what you doing? Oh, well, thanks. I didn't need to see that, Jake. There is my solution to it. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but the sheet is fitted down there, right? Let me show you what I did. I rarely ever use a flat sheet. So I took the flat sheet from the set that was being stored in the back end of my van, and I cut it down to fit the size of my bed. The only thing I need to do now is get me a little tie back of sorts, and then I'll have it open in the daytime. But at nighttime, it's so cool. Jake slept with me the entire night last night with this closed because I know he likes a closed-in area. So then, whoops, my sewing machine's down. Well, my daughter's sewing machine's down there. When you come in the van, it's completely closed. Or if somebody is walking by and you're in there watching TV or something, you have your privacy. How cool is that? So all you have to do, I'll make it real simple. All you have to do is measure from one side of your van to the other side exactly where you're going to be putting it at. Get a shower curtain rod. And let me tell you, those pressure rods they sell at Walmart, they're pressure or tension rods that they sell at Walmart that are like this, don't get it. I've bought 2 different priced ones, and they both fall apart. So this time I happen to be at a Habitat for Community, or wait a minute, Habitat sale store, and I found that rod up there for $5.99, and it's a heavy duty one. It's awesome. So I'd highly recommend you get a heavy duty shower curtain rod that's tension. You need the tension so that you can expand it as it needs to be. So that is my bedroom hack today for my van, and I hope you really like it. Okay, guys, I'm going to say this. You don't have to use salmon colored curtains, all girly. You can get some nice gray curtains, or sheets, I should say. Whatever your sheet set is, if you use the top sheet, you can make your own curtains free of charge. That blanket there, my grandkids, my son's children, for Christmas a few years ago, got that for me and personalized it. And the neat thing is that it has all my grandchildren's name as the border. So that's really cool. This was a pretty quick video, so I hope you were able to watch the whole entire thing. I have more videos coming, so stay tuned. If you like this video, please just click that like button. I never really realized how much it meant to the channel person when you hit like, because I didn't always do it before. I didn't always hit that like. And now that I see channels and I have my own channel, I always hit like because it does help the channel and it helps that person trying to grow their channel. So I would just be so honored if you would give me a chance and subscribe and like this video. You can always unsubscribe. Y'all have a great day. Stay tuned because more videos are coming. It's good to talk to you today.